Hello everybody and welcome to Triage TV with Tara. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to maintain your Android phone. One of the major problems we have with Androids is that they run out of space. So I have a phone here, the HTC Shift by Sprint, and today it's having a problem with low storage, as you can see with the indicator right here saying low on space. I don't know if you can focus in good on that. But this is a common issue. Usually it doesn't get this bad to where the notification pops up, but I'm going to teach you guys how to solve this problem before it even begins. So the first thing you want to do is whenever a customer is having freezing of any kind, it's usually caused by low storage space. So to check that, what you want to do is go to Menu, Settings, and SD card and storage. So in this phone, let me go back real quick, you can see that it has 25 megabytes of storage, which is like critically low. You want to be at least at between 50 and 80 megabytes for it to run properly with minimal freezing. Also, when it's low on space like this, you'll see the battery getting really hot. So if you have those two symptoms, then you want to consider doing this at least once every 2 weeks. So how do you fix this? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Menu, Settings again, and then you're going to go to Applications. From Applications menu, you're going to go to Manage Applications, and then you're going to click on All. So what we're looking for in this menu is anything between around 3 to 5 megabytes. And what we're going to do is we're going to clear the data. What data is user data. Data like, let's say you're going to Facebook, it's going to be random access memory, RAM, like pictures that you look at. So once you go into Facebook again, it doesn't have to reload the pictures of your friends. So random access memory like passwords, your progress in a game, things like that. So when you get to this menu, the first things that you want to look for usually is the Facebook and the browser. Facebook and the browser are the main culprits when it comes to application data. So let's look for those two first. Okay, Facebook is taking up 14 megabytes. So we're going to clear the data on that. And it's not going to erase anything. Usually on Facebook, all you have to do is sign back in. And we're also going to do the HTC Sense. We're going to clear the data on that also. And you won't see this on the Samsung or the LGs. It's only an HTC thing. There's not two of them on there. That's actually a plug-in for the HTC phones. Let's find that browser and see if we can clear the data on that also. Sometimes it's an alphabetical, and sometimes it's not. So let's look. Sometimes it's called the internet, so it just depends on what it's called, but let me scroll down here and find it. Okay, the internet is taking up 21 megabytes of space, so let's clear that out real quick. And just by doing that, we got to, see if you guys can see it, 65 megabytes. You can't really see, I don't know what's up with my camera, but 65 megabytes will put you at least above the critical level for space. And as you can see, the notification is gone now. So this phone is pretty much in decent working shape. It's not good, but if you ever do this and you can't get it to get above 50, what you want to do is hard reset that phone, because this phone, or instead of hard resetting, you can delete some apps, because some apps have a high cost. And what I mean by cost is the cost to download the app just by itself, bare minimum, sometimes is very high. And you'll see that on apps like Maps, Google Maps, where it says application 10 megabytes, it just has a high application cost. So if you're critical on space and you can delete some apps, go ahead and delete them, and that'll probably get you to working order. So I hope this helps you guys, and like I said, you want to do this like once every 2 weeks. Just go through here. If you see anything that is taking up like a huge amount of megabytes, go ahead and clear the data. You want to be aware not to clear the data on your games, because you will have to start over. And anything that has this Android next to it, and a bunch of like things you can't understand next to it, don't clear the data on that either. But this is it, guys. Thanks for watching Triage TV, and we'll see you next time.